Hi, my name is Prisha from FTC Mad About Robots, and today we are gonna learn how to make an authentic Indian vegan curry, also known as the Chana Bhatura. Step 1. Grind 1 chopped onion, a chopped tomato, and some garlic cloves and ginger into a tempting red puree. Step 2. Now set your induction to high and pour 2 tablespoons of oil. After heating it, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds and a pinch of turmeric powder. Step 3. Stir the condiments for a while and then add the puree which we prepared in step 1. Sauté until the mixture turns golden brown and you start enjoying its wonderful aroma. Step 4. Now let's add a bowl of soaked chickpea into the pan and simmer the gravy for 10 minutes. Step 5. You may now adjust the consistency by adding some water. Step 6. Finally, top it off with a pinch of chili powder, cardamom and cinnamon for extra flavor. And then we are good to go.
Hi, my name is Kumail and we are now going to make an Indian bread, also known as the Bhatura. Step 1. Add the following quantities of flour, semolina, granulated sugar, baking soda and salt in a bowl. Step 2. We will now add 1/4 cup of curd and of water to knead the dough and mix well. Step 3. Grease the dough with oil and leave it for an hour. Break a small portion of it and roll it gently into a round disc. Step 4. Finally, heat oil in a pan and fry the disc until golden brown. It is now time to savor our creation.